I've participated in previous years and I love the environment and how free you can be with your ideas, and also the workshops, you get to meet really fun people.
So I've always been quite keen on joining competitions in the past, and why gave me an excellent opportunity for me to perform outside of school and to be able to look at the bigger picture and try to get creative and pushing boundaries.
What excites me is all the potential and like how much you could do, all the possibilities. You could make something that changes someone's life. Innovation just means creating what you love and doing what you love.
Innovation means being creative to me, but also working with others to be creative and bouncing off each other's ideas to make something like fun and innovative.
To me, innovation means pushing the boundaries of what was previously thought possible, creating a solution from the ground up.
Innovation excites me because I'm free to be creative and to take action on things that I identify in my life.
What inspired me to get involved with YIA is that life is only lived once, and it's best to take your opportunities as they come.